Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change the transfer belt assembly on a Xerox VersaLink C7030. Alright, now the first thing you're going to do is open the front cover and open your left side cover by pushing up on that gray handle on the side. Now, your transfer belt assembly is going to be behind your waste cartridge, or your R5. So, get that waste cartridge out. You're going to go to the left side to this orange latch, turn it to the unlock position, and then on top of the waste cartridge are two little orange tabs. Push those down to unlock. Roll that waste cartridge out of the way. Now right here is your R6, which is your transfer belt assembly. Now the only thing you should have to do to get this out is to unscrew these two orange thumb screws. Turn those counterclockwise until they're laying loose. Alright, now that those are loose, that R6 is actually a handle. So you get your fingers up under it and pull straight out on that transfer belt. It should stop right about there. Now on top of your transfer belt, there's an orange handle on the left and there's an orange handle on the right there. So pick straight up on those two orange handles and slide that belt the rest of the way out, being very careful to try and keep that belt as level as you can so that you don't scratch it or puncture it in any way. Alright, now that is your transfer belt assembly. You have your new transfer belt assembly out of the box, all the paper and plastic off of it, ready to go in. When you pick it up out of that box, you're going to grab it by those two orange handles. Hold it nice and level. We're going to go into the machine right where it came out of with the gears toward the back. Now, if it helps, you can kind of go in with the right side just a little bit first and kind of twist the left side in. It should catch right where it needs to. Keep holding those orange handles and go in as far as you can with it until you can't go any farther. Let go of those orange handles right where it says R6. Push that belt in the rest of the way. You're gonna put these thumb screws back in. I like to just barely push on them and turn them clockwise until those threads catch. Be very careful, you don't want to cross thread these. So barely pushing on it so that you make sure it's getting into those threads. Once you feel it grab them threads, you can go ahead and go on, screw it all the way down. Now you don't have to tighten these real crazy tight, just kind of get them nice and snug up against there. After that, we're gonna go back together and take the bottom of it and lay it into those two black feet at the bottom. And then we're gonna rotate it into place until it clicks. Make sure both of your latches click in place. And then your orange latch on the left side, turn it to the lock position. And then we're gonna close the left side cover. When you close it, make sure that your front and rear latches close. And then close your front cover, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching these videos. If you'd like to see more videos on this same model, click right here. I want to give a big shout out to all of our viewers. We just hit 300 subscribers and we're super excited about it. So if you find these videos helpful in any way, please make sure and like and subscribe if you're not already.